Good morning. Okay, so day 2 today, and we are in Catalina Island. It looks like the ship has finally stopped, so we are sitting here. So in Catalina Island, you have to tender, you have to take the water shuttle over to the island. It is only 7:30 in the morning, so we won't be doing that until around 10, and we have a fun excursion planned today. So we'll share that with you in that whole adventure. So this adventure is something that my dad wanted to do, and we are going to share it with him. Hopefully, he's having some little issues with his feet, but hopefully we get to share this with him and I get to share it with all of you. So we're, for now, day 2, in Catalina Island. We are going to go meet my family for breakfast up in the marketplace, and then from there we'll see what we can get into.
Catalina Island.
We're ready for the great Catalina Race. Oh!
Okay, so we made it to Catalina Island. Hang on. There we go. I need to be able to see. So Catalina Island, to come in here you have to tender from the boat, which just means that the ship, not boat.
Sorry, my bad, dog. Were you talking?
I'm talking, but that's okay.
I'm sorry.
So you tender on another boat off of the ship. So the ship has to park out some. It's too shallow to pull up in here. So you take the little boat ride. It takes 5-10 minutes, 10 minutes at the max to get over here. This is a beautiful island. It's a very small little area, but it is so pretty. And I haven't even made it off the dock yet. I'm very impressed. I'm very excited. This is different than any type of port I've been to, because of course I've only been to the Caribbean areas, so this is completely different, but equally as beautiful as any other. So we have the Catalina Race, the Great Catalina Race today. It's going to start in about an hour and a half. So for now, we are just going to walk around Catalina and look for some souvenirs and see if there's anything we need to eat. So let me know in the comments below, have you been to Catalina Island? And if so, what is your must go-to place in Catalina Island? Like, where's your favorite place to eat? Where's your favorite souvenir shop? Let me know in the comments below.
Are you want to jump it? Oh, okay.
So impressed with this town. Wow, there's Danny. Hey, there's oysters. Everything about Catalina Island is beautiful. Okay, so one of the things I want to point out about Catalina Island, a couple things actually. It's beautiful. You don't have to have a shore excursion. Like, I kind of feel like I'm going to miss out on the island just because we're going to spend time on the shore excursion. But I'm hoping with this shore excursion that we get to see all these places as well. So there's a little beach area that's really pretty. I'll show that to you in a little bit. That you can just come and hang out on the beach, and then all the little shops everywhere. And something else I noticed about Catalina Island, like in the Caribbean, when you go to a port and go shopping, you have all these people trying to hassle you. Like, you walk into a store and they're trying to get you to come in their store. It's not like that at all here. No. It's very relaxed, just a little shopping town. It's so cute though. Alright, so we are going to the beginning part of this race, I think. I don't know exactly how this is going to go. But I'm really excited about it to see. I don't know how it's gonna go. We're pushing my dad around in a wheelchair. He's the team captain, so this is gonna go great. I'm not going to show you all of it just because if you do get to come and do this race, I don't want to give away all the clues. But I'll kind of tell you, what to expect.
So we have 8 teams today, 25 contestants.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fantastic Catalina Race. Yes. Oh, let's try that one more time. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fantastic Catalina Race. The whole point of this game is to confuse you. To frustrate you.
Already there.
To make each and every one of you very, very angry. Angry at yourself. Angry at your teammates. Most importantly, angry at me.
We are 2 clues into the fantastic Catalina Race. We're on our 3rd clue. Don't recommend. I'm sitting in the shade while my family's doing all the running at the moment. I can't figure any of this out. I have no idea if we're supposed to be where we're at or not. And I am not enjoying it at all. So, people with brighter minds than me, this is your thing. Although somebody wrote online that it's at the level of a 4th grader, and I can't figure it out. So I don't know what that's saying, but not my favorite. I'd rather be shopping or eating tacos right now. We got here 1st place. It was so much work, but it pays off because they give you a free beer and free chips and salsa. Totally worth it. Now that I think about it though, I'm thinking that it would have been less effort just to buy the beer. It was probably like $3. But I like free stuff, and I'm gonna get tacos!
Did we all have a good time?
Yeah!
Good time. The first team to cross the finish line was Team Ramrod!
Day 2 on Catalina Island, or day 1 on Catalina Island, but day 2 of the cruise is coming to an end. I'm sad to go. This is a beautiful port. The excursion was very frustrating. The fantastic Catalina Race was very frustrating. However, we did end up enjoying it and laughing and having a good time. One, we got to the finish line and realized we were in 1st place. So that was really fun. So we ended up winning that. That was cool. Got beer, got tacos. So all in all was not a failed excursion. It was super fun. It was very tiring, but all in all, I did enjoy it after the initial frustrations of it. So Catalina Island, it's been probably one of my favorite ports. I don't know how many times I'll say that when I go to a port, but it's so beautiful here. I could come and just spend several days here at this little island. So now it's time to go catch my tender boat back to the ship. And tonight is formal night, so stay tuned for me and the family to get dressed up, and we got quite a few things planned tonight. So we will see you in a little while. So we are back on the ship, and tonight is elegant night, so we have so many things planned tonight, and about to head to dinner. I haven't seen any of my family dressed up yet. They haven't seen me. Hopefully get some pictures together. It should be a lot of fun, so stay tuned for the rest of what we've got planned tonight. Should be a blast.
1, 2, and 3. Okay.
You keep on his eye, okay?
I can't see his eyes.
No.
Okay.
Okay. No problem. Alright. You can see his eyes, correct?
I see his eyes.
Alright. I'm gonna put a little bit here. Can you see his eyes, right? Okay. Then you put your thumb like this. There you go.
That's what the boys are like, you can use any paper laying around. Like, no, it has to be strong enough.
You keep watching this eyes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. When I say 1, 2, 3, you have to say wing, wing, wing. What is the word? Wing.
Wing?
Wing,
That's
wing.
what,
Three times.
this one right here.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Wing, wing, wing.
Hello, anybody home?
Yes! That was my favorite! Hello?
Okay. I'm gonna asking you this one. Upside down without spill the water.
No. Turn it upside down without blowing the water?
Is it possible or no?
I can do it. Not for me.
Okay, this is full.
It is
I
possible.
can't do it like that.
Why? Everything is possible. Upside down without spill the water.
I don't think you should try it, Dad.
No.
No, I don't think I can do it.
So you can do it.
No.
Very simple.
Okay.
Watch out.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
a few-
Watch out.
Watch out. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Upside down. I think it's the game. Not yours.
Do you want to see it again? That's hers.
Pork tart, eh? Come on.
Is it good?
Really good.
Is it?
Really good.
What are you doing over there?
I'm just eating all the oysters. All of them. This is my 4th appetizer.
Dad, what do you think about your meal?
It was excellent. It was really good. Flavorful. Loved it.
Shannon?
Mine was bomb.
Bomb diggity.
Bomb diggity.
Alright, what do y'all think about your meal?
I'm very sad, disappointed that I got a lava cake coming and I'm not going to be able to eat it. I'm too full.
Yeah, that's a good story.
Mine was very interesting.
It was great.
Mine was like a mixture between like a squash and a pumpkin flavors. Really good.
I'm still going to eat it.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps.
If you want this party to keep going, make some noise. Well, this next one, since I'm from to the left, back it up. Back it up. And down. Right foot and right foot. Left foot and left foot. Up and down
and beer. Sounds like it's a song I should know, but.
Okay, ending night 2 the only way I know how, and that's 24-hour pizza. It's not really 24 hours though. It closed at 4 a.m. But little recap of today. Catalina Island is amazing. The production show that I went to tonight was just so-so. The dancers are super talented, but the music did not keep my attention very well. And then we went to the piano bar, and I think we bring the party to the piano bar. It's pretty fun when we show up there, so that's really cool. Then we took the party to, well, actually, before we went to the piano bar, we went to the mega deck party. That was a lot of fun. My feet are killing me. And finally, we ended up at the nightclub for a very short period of time because Renee decided that she didn't want to wear shoes because, you know, we're from Arkansas, so we don't wear shoes anywhere. So she didn't wear shoes to the nightclub, and apparently that is frowned upon. So we got kicked out of the nightclub because Renee didn't have shoes. So we decided pizza, and it was probably time for bed since it's almost 1:30 in the morning. And we have another big day tomorrow in Ensenada, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video in Ensenada. I don't know that we have much planned. We'll see how that goes in Ensenada. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.